and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the perfect mini flans every time. So in case you guys want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and some fresh strawberries. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so this recipe makes 6 mini flans, and I'm going to be using this oven-proof containers that I purchased at Walmart. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to place our molds into a roasting pan with no water, and we're going to place them in our oven. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Alright guys, so the purpose for putting the molds into the oven, it's so like that when our sugar is done, the sugar can remain melted and not get hard. Alright, so we're going to be using a saucepan. We're going to turn on our stove to medium heat. And we're going to add our sugar into our pan. Now you guys, this is seriously like the hardest part of the whole thing, okay? So just be patient with the sugar because it does take time. So now every 30 seconds, just move it around. Don't play with it too much. Like I said, just every 30 seconds. We just want to get rid of all those clumps, okay? So just keep mixing it, moving it around until we get everything. Alright guys, so this is seriously a process, okay? And it's time consuming, but if you want like an easy way, like I did in my choco flan, make sure you guys go check that out. If you know, I use cajeta and that flan, so you can always do the same thing for this mini flans, just to save some time, okay? Okay, so our sugar, it's finally melted. It's now a caramel. And this is what it looks like. So now it's ready so we can put it into our molds. Alright guys, so once your sugar is melted and we have the caramel, we're going to pour it in our little molds. Just spread it evenly. Remember that your molds and everything is hot here, so don't touch it. Okay, so now we're just going to blend all of our ingredients together to make the flan. So here I have the condensed milk. The evaporated milk. Your 3 eggs. Cream cheese, and our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're just going to mix it for 3 minutes or until everything is liquefied. Alright guys, so now after everything is blended, we're going to strain our milks. And this is just going to get rid of all the air bubbles. Okay, so that's that. And now we're going to do the same with our mixture. Now we're just going to fill up our roasting pan with some water and just do it halfway. And just be careful, you don't want to get water on your flans. And now we're just going to cover them with foil. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna let it bake in the oven for 60 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 60 minutes, so I took out my flans out of the oven. So now, just going to uncover that. And that's what they should look like. So now you can poke it with your fork, a knife, or a toothpick. Just poke it in the middle. And if nothing comes out, they're done. So now what I like to do, very carefully, I like to pull them out of the water so they can cool down for a little bit. So just be careful because they're super hot. Okay, so now we're just gonna let them cool down for a little bit, and then we're going to, with a spoon, very carefully, you're just gonna scrape the edges of the flange just so when we flip it over, it's easy to come out. All right guys, so after letting it sit for a few minutes, we're just gonna run our spoon around their flan. Just be very careful. Now I'm just gonna grab my plate where we're gonna serve it and then just flip it over. So just pull it out and there you go. And then I like to serve mine with some strawberries on top. And there you go. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. It's so delicious, so creamy. It's just perfect, you guys. I hope you guys seriously give this recipe a try. So worth it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious mini flans. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what other recipes you would like for me to do. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. You guys are still here? Well, make sure you guys click right here so you guys can watch my previous video. And if you haven't already, make sure you click down my face so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.